Hey guys, welcome to Detector's tutorial. Today, we are going to talk about how to get more tokens on Monopoly Go. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to head onto your app store and download Monopoly Go. So once you have downloaded that, you'll just need to open the app and then right after, log in onto it. Now, once you're new onto Monopoly Go, you'll actually have an option to choose a token on Monopoly Go. So here are some options that you could choose from when just starting out. You have your hat, a car, and also a ship. And to get more, you could use expansion packs. This will give you extra tokens to play with. These packs can make your game more interesting. And for a personal touch, you can even create your own tokens. Use simple materials and craft to make tokens that are special to you. So getting more tokens doesn't change the game. It just makes it more fun and unique. Thank you very much for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it to your friends. And we'll see you on to our next video.